Welcome back, everyone. It is finally Friday. Of course, this is a long holiday weekend for many, and the key word is hot. The heat will continue throughout the rest of the weekend into next week, sadly. Right now, very quiet across the region on the radar. Should be mainly dry for this early evening, but look at the temperatures right now. 100 degrees in McAllen, 97 in Edinburgh, a little bit cooler out west, not really, but 93 degrees in Raymondville and Harlingen, 88 in Port Isabel. Here's your evening planner forecast. It should be quiet for tonight, mostly sunny at 7 p.m. with a temperature of 90 degrees. Very warm start to this Friday evening. We're down to 84 at 9 p.m., 78 at 11 o'clock this evening. We should see partly cloudy skies overnight, and there is a chance for some patchy late fog. Let's talk about the forecast for this holiday weekend. And if you are going to be outside for tomorrow, Sunday, Monday, please be careful. Take it easy. Drink plenty of water because it will stay hot and humid each day. Mostly sunny tomorrow, temperature of 97 with heat indices around 101. That's when you factor that humidity into the air. Temperature 99 on Sunday. Feels like 103. 100 Memorial Day Monday, feeling like 104. All right, we have our first named storm of the hurricane season. It officially begins June 1st, but sometimes we get the system formed a little bit before June 1st. And this is subtropical storm Alberto, just off the coast of the Yucatan Peninsula. Here's a satellite picture. We're seeing a lot of wind shear from the west, blowing those tops off toward the east. That's why we're not seeing much thunderstorm activity on the western side of the center of circulation. Most of it's to the east over Cuba and Florida. And here are the numbers on Alberto. Maximum winds are 40 miles per hour. It's moving very slowly to the east at 2 miles an hour. Here's that forecast track. It keeps Alberto well away from the valley and from Texas, but that forecast track takes Alberto toward the north through the eastern Gulf of Mexico, maintaining a tropical storm or subtropical storm strength and status for this weekend into the start of next week, and then maybe a turn toward the west-northwest. So at this point, that forecast cone encompasses the Florida Panhandle from Indian Pass, Florida, all the way to Grand Isle, Louisiana, in the New Orleans area. In any case, the southeastern U.S., especially Florida, Georgia, Alabama, Mississippi, are looking at a lot of rain over at least the next 5 days, all thanks to Alberto. The forecast then has Alberto moving northward through the southeastern U.S. for the middle portion of next week. And here's the reason why we don't expect it to be an issue for the valley. We still have this big, persistent, stubborn dome of high pressure aloft, this big ridge of high pressure, stable air mass parked over Mexico and Texas. So that's going to act as a barrier to Alberto, keeping it away from Texas. That means for us, it is just hot and dry, mainly dry for us for the rest of the weekend into next week, with temperatures each day in the 90s and triple digits. So again, take it easy outside and drink plenty of water. We'll have winds out of the southeast to east on the water at 5 to 15 knots. The bay waters are moderate chop. Your next tide is a low tide at 7:23 tonight, and the seas are 2 to 4 feet. For your Friday night, mostly clear early, partly cloudy late, maybe some patchy late fog with low temperatures in the mid-70s. Then for tomorrow, mostly sunny, mainly dry at best. Less than a 10% chance of a shower. It is hot, though, 97 with high temperatures in the triple digits for the upper valley. Here's that 7-day forecast. More of the same. We cut and paste this forecast, folks, because it doesn't change. 99 Sunday, 100 Memorial Day Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. A lot of sunshine. Morning lows remain in the mid-70s. That's your first Warn 5 forecast.